In behalf of our city government, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the Schools Division of May Kawayan on your 14th founding anniversary. The vision that began 14 years ago continues to stand strong today. We now have 32 schools across the city, offering a range of learning pathways, 26 with elementary education, 11 with junior high school, and 8 with senior high school programs, all serving thousands of learners. Makikita natin ang pamana ng edukasyon sa bawat silid-aralan na itinayo, sa bawat paaralang pinalawak, at sa bawat espasyong ginamit ng wasto upang matiyak na walang batang maiiwan. At patuloy pa tayong magtatayo ng mga school buildings at classrooms kung saan man posible, because education is always worth the investment. We are also proud of our resilience. We faced one of the most challenging moments in our history, the pandemic. But our schools stood firm through alternative learning delivery, flexible class arrangements, and our swift adaptation to technology. Learning never stopped. Today, we continue to move forward. We nurture our learners not only academically, but holistically, producing achievers in academics, performing arts, athletics, and many other fields. Our students are discovering their talents, finding their voices, and shaping their dreams. Sa ating mga guro, mga magulang, at sa ating mga DepEd students, maraming salamat sa inyong dedikasyon at sakripisyo. Nakakatuwang isipin na ang kinabukasan ng lungsod ng May Kawayan ay nasa mabubuting kamay. As we look ahead, let us remain united in our commitment to excellence. Sa ating pagkakaisa, mas liliwanag pa ang kinabukasan ng ating mga kabataang May Kawayanyo. Mabuhay ang Schools Division of the City of May Kawayan. Happy 14th Founding Anniversary!